Let's say, for example, that I want to find a competitor of me and my brand. I want to see what they're doing. Well, let's see, for example, Daymond John. Not really my competitor because he's a partner of mine. We work together on his brand and on our marketing services. So if I click on Daymond John, right, you see I found a direct Facebook page and Instagram profile. So over here, zooming in on this in a little bit, you can see that Daymond John has 627,000 likes on Facebook, 1.2 million followers on Instagram, and they are a public figure. And there's other fan clubs of Daymond John. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one over here. And let's see what this guy is doing on social media, which, by the way, we're doing it because we're the one that runs these ads right now. So over here, you see first that we launched on February 2021. Daymond John over here. And this one says, let my team run your ads in 2021. And this one over here, it's an ad. I can click on see ad details. I can see the full ad over here. And let's say that I wanted to watch that video so I can know exactly what type of content these guys are running because they must be doing something well. It is the People's Shark, it's Manuel Suarez. These guys, they know what they're doing. I want to reverse engineer a little bit what these guys are doing. This is all public information. This is exciting because now you can understand it and you can get inspired. So you see how important this is? If you don't get inspired, nothing else is gonna happen. If you don't understand what other people are doing, you're gonna miss out on this incredible wave of digital marketing, which is happening right now. So you can start seeing a couple of the elements that we're using on this video. And you can see how we write our copy. You can see how we highlight things in bold. You can see how we have separation. And you can see how you can easily engage with it. And we also make the video itself very visual. We simply add some text at the top that specifically says, my team is gonna run your ads for you in 2021. We put a video, we have a call to action. You can see that we have a call to action over here at the bottom that says, get my marketing team to run your ads. And you can see the call to action that is learn more right there. What other inspiration do you need if you're running a digital marketing agency yourself? And again, no matter who you are and where you are right now and what brand you are and what part of the planet you are on, this same formula applies to you because you have a competitor that is doing a great job on social media. I guarantee you do. Unless your name is Elon Musk, you have competitors out there that are out there doing a great job on these platforms that now you can actually copy some of the elements and don't have to start from scratch. You can see what they're doing and reverse engineer the process so you can get that content distribution out there. Going back to the steps over here, you can get your content routine going and then you can amplify that content, which leads towards you being able to retarget people on social media.